astronaut, secretly rap a lot. Chop the beat to eat the bar, sweeter than applesauce. Recently rejected, still an aftershock. Wrote 100 songs for her, she said I don't have to stop.
Alright, so we're hitting Skyline Boulevard. Devin's coming out right there. Let me get my bike going. What's up?
You look like more of a wool than
I know, I've worn a short sleeve this time. Yeah. I wanted to, I know. Like that. This is crazy. Do you wanna wear the GoPro or something?
Yeah, sure. I was just seeing, I don't know, take a break, see if you're down to go farther, turn back.
Yeah. Let's check time. I was gonna say the same thing, dude. It's crazy. Some of the views. This whole like road, I feel like it's just a vista road. Like that's why there's any traffic on it. It's just people stopping to look at things. Are you cool with wearing this?
Yeah. Dude, my tire needs, I need a new one, I think.
You might actually, or maybe,
I don't know.
I think it's fine for now, but it's like, you probably took a year off of that tire's life.
Yeah, it's an expensive day at the track.
How much was it for just the track?
Like $200
Okay.
for the day.
Yeah, no.
And then plus the tires, I guess.
Yeah.
Right.
Front tire's fine though, right? Should be, I mean, I don't...
Yeah, it's mostly the back tire, I think. It's totally worth it to do it at least once.
Oh yeah, no, I think I'll have to definitely.
So sick, yeah. You can even rent a sport bike there.
I was gonna say that's what I want to do, because I never want to own a sport bike. Not because I don't want to, but because it's like self-preservation, you know. I will die if I own a sport bike.
Yeah, they have like leader bikes that you can rent for $200.
Yeah, I would do
for the
that
day.
for sure. So let's see where we're at geographically. No, I was cold initially, and then it like, I don't know, we hit a hot spot, and then it just stayed hot. Maybe it's just like up here, the air, I don't know. But
We're in the sun a little more now.
it's definitely hotter up here than it was in Redwood City. I guess we're away from the Bay Breeze. Dude, riding out here, it was so cold. Like, you're on the 101. I almost got hit. Some lady was not looking. She just changed lanes right into me. And then it was like super windy and super cold, so I was just getting blasted. And then with this visor, you know, whoa.
Yeah, you need a street helmet.
I know I do need to. Just need to get a job that pays me well first.
Yeah,
Right now they're
that's-
basically paying me to get to work.
That's
Like I
step
actually
one.
lose money before they reimburse me because I also pay for my office space.
You pay for your office space?
Yeah, we work out of a WeWork, which is like, it's like a community thing that you pay for office space.
Oh, damn.
So I actually lose money every month, but then they reimburse me. But it's a silly gig. Startups are weird. I don't like it. I'll leave. We'll head left.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like you're probably learning more at your startup than I learned at Facebook, just because all my tools are already like.
I feel like you learned like 5 things really well.
Probably, yeah.
And I've learned nothing really well, but I've learned like 10 things already. So I don't know. I guess both sides have their perks. You'll be a master of things. I'll be jack of all trades, master of none. Solid.
local traffic. I don't really want to get a ticket today.
I know, that's what I'm thinking, like, especially if there's a ranger right there.
We'll just head back, I guess.
We'll head back. We can stop, we'll stop at that big vista. You probably saw it. I'll lead again, I guess. You want to trade bikes? We don't have to if you want to.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
We're not going that far anyway.
Yeah. that's just 100% a condom.
Much better.
That's neutral.
Alright, so I'm back. Just a fun ride, figured I'd videotape it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Check out some of the other videos on the channel, and I will see you guys later. Peace.